So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing some die hacks for Christmas. These are the die hacks decoration for Christmas. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So today's video is totally helpful and useful for you because we are sharing the most amazing and the most interesting video, that is Christmas die hacks, decoration hacks that will be easy and helpful for you because we share a lot of ideas. You can add such kind of hanging by gift hampers, and otherwise you can also do decoration on your roofs. You can do decoration like some kind of crisp ice cream sticks. You can make such kind of stuffs. These are a jar, and even you can do decoration in a jar. And even you can add a kind of snowman on your door. These are kind of disposable plates. So all ideas, all hacks are super interesting. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected.